Hello, fellow repairmen. Um, I keep running into this issue looking at the NVMT report and not understanding what I'm seeing. That's only because it's poorly formatted into a text file. And if you were to copy that into here, and let's say you want to open Excel, paste that there, everything just ends up in one column, which isn't ideal for, you know, to study, to compare, whatever the case may be. So I came up with a very small program. It's super simple. I'll show you what it looks like. Absolutely simple, absolutely nothing there. So the source is included for those who are paranoid. And all you need to do is we point it to the file, and then it gives me a message, finished, whatever. And so what it did, let me see, where is the file? Oh, right there. It generated a new text file in right next to the log. So you can change that in the source code if you need to. And so basically you can see that everything is formatted a whole lot nicer here. So it's a lot easier to see what comes from where. So you just copy that and you paste it into your Excel, and everything is nicely organized into each row, column, whichever way you want to look at it. So it's a lot easier for you to analyze, to find errors, or to compare. Let's say I have a let's see, there's some errors on E1. So it's first chip, second chip, IC1, IC1, IC0, right there. So I'm going to copy that. We're just going to move it over here so I can look at the E1 and I can see, okay, so I got some errors coming from the chip that's at the front, but nothing on the back. So you can, put some red marks on here. That'll be your indicator that you need to replace the chip on the front. Just something I thought would be useful for diagnosing problems, for maybe learning a thing or two, whatever you guys find this thing helpful. Hey, have at it. Absolutely free, no charge. I do have a little bit of programming skills in the background. I've made a few programs that are far more complicated than this, so this was just a piece of cake for me to do it in 2 minutes. I figured I'd just share it with you and contribute to the community, one way or another. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.